a drink. So here we have our strawberries. I'm gonna get 2 tablespoons of the strawberries out. There is 1, kind of draining the juice off. And 2, I had to buy this, which will work just fine. This was found in the produce section. I'm gonna put a little bit of this basil, and I really like basils and strawberries. I'm gonna try and just muddle that a bit. Then, see how this made just wonderful juice? I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of the juice out, put a little ice in. I'll just put a little in here first. I'm gonna give it a little help. And there, a wonderful fizzy drink. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect to sit on the porch.